Escaping regex string. I want to use input from a user as a regex pattern for a search over some text. It works, but how I can handle cases where user puts characters that have meaning in regex. For example, the user wants to search for word S, regex engine will take the S as a group. I wanted to treat it like a string, S. I can run replace on user input and replace the with, and the, with backslash, but the problem is I will need to do replace for every possible regex symbol. Do you know some better way?
Use the re.escape function for this. 4.2.3 Re-module contents. Escape string return string with all non-alphanumerics backslashed. This is useful if you want to match an arbitrary literal string that may have regular expression metacharacters in it. A simplistic example, search any occurrence of the provided string optionally followed bys, and return the match object.
You can use re.escape. Re.escape string return string with all non-alphanumerics there. If you are using a Python version is lower than 3.7, this will escape non-alphanumerics that are not part of regular expression syntax as well. If you are using a Python version is lower than 3.7 but is greater than or equal to 3.3, this will escape non-alphanumerics that are not part of regular expression syntax, except for specifically underscore.
Unfortunately, re.escape is not suited for the replacement string. A solution is to put the replacement in a lambda. Because the return value of the lambda is treated by re.sub as a literal string.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.